Welcome to High Oracle's Reiki Spiritual Healing Channel. And today's topic is a client edition. It's less severe as my previous client, but just the same, it is a cleansing and restoration and restoring the person's life back to them. Okay? So this is from a brother. Again, he doesn't want me to use his name, but he has allowed us to use his story. And this brother reached out to me, and he reached out to me in the early part of January, and he wanted a consultation. He had seen my videos on YouTube. He has seen my videos on TikTok. He's seen my videos on Facebook and Instagram, and he is very distraught at this point about what's going on in his life. Okay, and he is upset, and when guys get mad because nothing goes right, whatever they touch, they can draw that negative energy to them when they become angry like that. That's why I tell my clients, don't get angry. You should be replacing that anger with prayer, with fasting, until you can reach out to me, okay, so you can get the help that you need. Do not get angry with your situation. Do not get angry with people who are running a smear campaign, gang stalking you. These people who are attacking you spiritually, do not get angry with them. You should be praying. You should be prostrating. I had to get it out. I couldn't get it out. Prostrating, and you should be fasting, okay? So these are some of the tactics that I've had to, give him to use. I've given him tactics of meditation. And so for our first couple of sessions, we had to determine, who's the person that doesn't like him. Where is the negative energy coming from? You're going to have, signs. I had to let him know, you're going to see signs now. You're going to see, 111, 222. Okay, you're going to see omens. Okay, I was telling you guys the other day, we were seeing omens. I was seeing omens of opossums. And this, when you're having people that look like a rat, then that's exactly what they are in your life. So he has told me his story, and it is just, I feel for a lot of you, and I know that my story is horrible, but I feel for a lot of you. And I was able to bring him out of that depression, and he was able to say, I thank you so much, because I would have never knew what's going on with me. And he was telling me about his life, that his father had been abusive to him all of his life. His father had been abusive to his mother. His father, his mother left. His mother left him when they were very young, and divorced the father, and left the children with the father. And his father started to abuse him, beat him. And again, this may trigger some of you, and if it does, just come back and watch this video. So I'm letting him know that this parent was bringing you into a low vibrational state so that they could siphon your gifts and your blessings. This parent wanted your life. They wanted to destiny swap with you. So he started to leave home when he was about 16. He started to get in trouble. He started to just pretty much raise himself, because he didn't have that support from the home life. And his father would not let him back into the house. It would not take care of him. Okay, so it was this type of energy, the type of energy, abandoning energy from the father's end. And again, make sure that you're writing these types of things down, because I'm giving you step by step of how these narcissists, they're destiny swapping with you. They're taking your energy. And usually it starts as a child, raising that vibration against you, putting you in fear of them. They want you to fear of them, be in fear of them, so that, you will relinquish your power. You will never be able to know the person that is taking over your energy, who has attached the black magic to you, who has sent you the evil eye. So in this case, he was able, my client was able to get into a relationship, a meaningful relationship. And the person cared about him, but he could not break out of the negative energy. He was doing things, he was trying to lash out at anybody. He didn't know how to treat people, in the relationship, even when he had someone that had his back. So, he was, creeping around and doing all kind of things. He had, different girlfriends. And he made a baby with another woman. And, his girlfriend left him. And, I don't condone girlfriends. But once you've slept with a man, then you're considered to be married to him. So he's having, several different women that he has this trauma bond, this soul tie to. Okay. And he's not able to stay in a relationship with none of them. Okay, so now this is where we get to the part where, he employed my services in January. So I was able to send him a couple of spiritual baths to address this issue. I was able to send him spiritual bath because he was telling me his male vigor. He was having problems with, his genitalia. And so, he was very honest and upfront with me that he believed that someone had attacked him, spiritually. And, and I told him that we will definitely get to the bottom of this. And so I sent him a series of baths since January. We have been working on this. He had not spoken to his father in years. Because they were at odds with each other. Okay, his father, since he was 16, this young man is, I think he's 42 now. Okay, and so when we started on this healing journey, we started on this cleansing journey, and so the father gets in touch with him, after, 25, 30 years almost. Okay. 30-some years, the father gets back in touch with him, and I told him he's trying to reconnect. He is at the core of your relationships not lasting. He's at the core of siphoning your gifts, where you can't keep a job. Your life is in, deplorable conditions. He has been sending negative attacks upon you, and he probably, and even before I could get it out my mouth, where I'm telling him that he has been sending spells up on him, talking down to him. You'll never be nothing. You're just like your mother. You're crazy. You're stupid. So these are the types of spells that these warlocks are going to send out over you, especially when it doesn't work with your mother. And I've had this problem, in my life, where my mother would tell me, you're going to be just like your father. I can't stand you just like your father. Okay. So understand this. When these people are sending these spells over your life, you have to be just like, just like me, and tell these people the truth. Well, if I'm stupid, then you're stupid. Okay, you're going to, if you're a kid, you're going to get slid. You're going to get slid. You're going to have to take off running when you say those types of things to the elders. You're not going to have anywhere to stay. They're going to abandon you when you send that negative energy back to them. So, it's best to go ahead and start cleansing As soon as you move away, as soon as these narcissists abandon you, it's best to start cleansing. Once I started to cleanse and work in a life coaching session with this young man, bringing him closer to God. Again, he had no prayer life. Bringing him closer to God, his relationship improved. The health of his father, depleted. He started to be restored. And I want you to put the thunderbolts, in the comment section, because this could be either male or female. We're sending thunderbolts on these spiritual narcissists and on these people who are hiring demons, who are hiring spirits to hijack your life. Okay. So he was letting me know that his father, was up and well, doing really well. Only he was the only person in the family that was doing, terrible, that couldn't keep a job, that couldn't keep a relationship, that was in a depressive, and going to ask people, to let him live with them. This has been his life up until, he got with his second baby's mother returned. They got back together when we started working together in January. Okay, so he's not having to, move out of his apartment. He got his baby's mama back, and she's working with him. They're working together. They got the kid. They're working together. He's grateful. And the father, his relationship has started to fall apart. His health has started to fall apart because we're calling our power back. That destiny swap that he had done while he was a child, it is being destroyed. And, and my client is being restored. He's being restored. And those thunderbolts are being sent on his father. This has been taking place in a lot of your lives. And when you recognize this pattern, that you're the only person that people in your family are trauma dumping, that they are, talking down to, you're the only person that is in lack, that is because that pattern is meant for you to stay in that state, to stay in that lack mentality. You and your family, you and your lineage, your generation, the next generation will feel this type of attack when they have destiny swap with you, when you have a family member that has taken your star. It is meant to go over into the next generation with your health, your finances, your relationship. They have stolen your blessings. Okay, so when you're seeing this pattern, you want to go ahead and reach out to me so that we can start your cleansing process and we can restore your star. And we don't have these parents running around you with arrogance and pride, in your face, saying that you'll never be nothing, you don't have anything, your family is in lack, you're poor, and it is an attack. It is a smear campaign, and we are going to restore your destiny back to you, and we're going to break those generational curses. And so this is what I have been working on with this young man, this client, and he is feeling the effects of his life being restored, his health being restored, his finances being restored, the relationships, people not rejecting him, he's being restored. And this is how we send thunderbolts on those spiritual narcissists. So I want you to put thunderbolts in the comment section if you can relate to this video. I really appreciate all of you guys. And I hope that you received this message and this knowledge from this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to me. You can book your one-on-one life coaching sessions or your consultations. Donate to my channel. I'm High Oracle, Reiki Spiritual Healer. Assalamu alaikum.